All right, in this video, we'll show you how to bulk edit products with a list of SKUs. It might be that you have a spreadsheet with a whole bunch of SKUs and you want to do some modifications to just those products. So what we can do is we can copy this column. Ideally, you can skip the header, but if you include that, it doesn't really matter. So we'll copy that, go to Start an In-App Edit, and then at the filter page, we'll go down and choose the SKU field. And the option we need to choose is contains any of the words. And then if we paste the value in here at a filter, the app will just take a second and it will select all those products. And here we can see these products have multiple variants, so we'll see how many of the variants are selected. This won't matter so much if we're going to modify a product level field, as the product itself is also selected. So we just go over to edit products, and then we could do things like add a tag to the product, like from sheet, and then we'll see the preview here, and then we can run edit and the app will go through and start editing those tags. Go ahead and cancel that and undo those changes since we don't need them. One other search you can do is instead of having a Excel spreadsheet, you have a list of SKUs separated by a comma. The app will also support those, so we can copy those, go down to SKU. Here though, we want to choose the equals field, and we just paste that in, press add filter, and the app will select the variants products associated with that list of SKUs. So that shows two ways where, given an arbitrary list of SKUs, you can go through and bulk edit those products.